In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot in Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right in. First off, let me give you a brief overview of what Copilot is. Copilot in Microsoft Teams is designed to enhance your productivity by leveraging AI to help you manage your workload and tasks more efficiently. It's like having a virtual assistant right at your fingertips. You can use it to summarize conversations, draft messages, and even schedule meetings, allowing you to focus more on what you do best. Now, to get started with Copilot, you'll want to ensure that you have access to Microsoft Teams where the feature is available. If your organization is using the latest version of Teams and has enabled Copilot, you're all set. Once you've opened Microsoft Teams, head over to the chat or channel where you want to utilize Copilot. Look for the Copilot icon, which typically looks like a small robot or assistant. Don't worry if you don't see it immediately. If your account has access, it may just take a moment to load. When you click on the Copilot icon, a sidebar will appear, giving you different options tailored for your current task. For instance, if you're in a meeting, you can use Copilot to summarize key points discussed. This is particularly useful if you're handling multiple meetings in a day, allowing you to keep track of essential information without having to take extensive notes. Let's talk about how you can ask Copilot to summarize a conversation. You just need to type in a simple command like, "Summarize this chat," and within seconds, Copilot will provide you with a concise breakdown of the conversation highlights. This can save you a lot of time, especially if you've participated in extensive discussions. Next, let's explore how Copilot can help in drafting messages. Suppose you need to send a follow-up message to your team after a meeting but aren't quite sure how to phrase it. Simply click on the Copilot icon and say something like, "Draft a follow-up message thanking the team for their contributions." Copilot will then generate a message for you. You can tweak it if you like or send it as is. This feature is especially handy when you're in a rush. Now, you might be wondering about scheduling meetings. Copilot can assist with that too. If you wish to arrange a meeting with your team, you can ask Copilot for help. Just type in something like, "Schedule a team meeting for next Tuesday at 3 p.m. Copilot will check everyone's availability and propose a time that works for the majority. It's that easy. Moreover, if your team is working on documents or projects collaboratively in Teams, Copilot can assist with managing tasks. You can ask it to create a task list based on your current project discussions, or even remind you about upcoming deadlines. Just say, "Create a task list from this conversation," and then explain any specifics you want, such as due dates or responsible team members. As you get comfortable with using Copilot, you might also want to explore some additional customization options. Copilot learns from your interactions, meaning it can adapt to your style and preferences over time. So the more you use it, the better it becomes at anticipating your needs. Remember, the goal of using Copilot is to enhance your productivity, so don't hesitate to explore all the features it offers. Whether you need summaries, drafting assistance, or scheduling help, Copilot is designed to streamline your workload. So in summary, using Copilot in Microsoft Teams can significantly ease your day-to-day tasks. Just remember to access it from the chat or meeting screen, look for the icon, and start engaging it with commands that match your needs. You'll find yourself saving time and being more efficient in no time. And that wraps up our discussion on how to use Copilot in Microsoft Teams. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.